DY49QT-28 scooter filling oil operation method. Use number 90 to gasoline and 2-stroke engine oil. Blend according to 40:1. After blending, we use a debug gasoline can to fill it. To debug the engine. Pipe connection. You can see this is an oil pump. This oil pump supplies oil to the engine. Make the engine work properly. The connection between the oil pump and the oil tank. It's this tube. This is the oil inlet for motor oil. What about this transparent tube? It's the oil pump to the carburetor. Then after this connection is complete, here's another thread. This one is from the igniter to our oil pump. This is the signal power connection port. This should be plugged in firmly. The oil pump can work normally. The oil pipe is connected. This oil level sensor harness goes through this port. Then, plug in our oil level sensor. Open the rubber cover and add oil. Close the lid after the filling is completed. Pull out the pipe of this oil inlet. Use gravity for air emptying. After the oil hose drips oil, put the oil hose back here. Clamp the pipe clamp. Unplug oil hose. Use a 40:1 gasoline blend. Connect the debugging oil can out of oil hose. If there is no oil can, add the debugged gasoline directly to the fuel tank. Start the vehicle. Adjust idle screw. Let the idling speed of the motorcycle stabilize. The oil pump works every 7 to 8 seconds, so we can see that after 7 to 8 seconds, the oil will go 1 square forward. The throttle is around 3,000 to 4,000 revolutions per minute. To accelerate the oil emptying, tie the wire speed and hose with a cable tie. Turn off the scooter. Mixing hose unplugged. Oil pipe that connects the fuel tank to the carburetor. Put it back. Fill with number 90 to gasoline. When the scooter is running, check the exhaust port of our engine. If there is a slight blue smoke, there is slight blue smoke. It indicates that mixed oil has entered the engine. This means the engine is working normally.